Don't you just love it when the UPS truck arrives? In this episode of Presto Changeo, you'll see the parts arrive and I'll do some unboxing. Oh boy, the UPS truck was here today. What did the driver leave us? Well, today we received 7 boxes from Harley. Let's see what's in them. Aha! It's the outer fairing. It's unpainted, ready to go. And inside there's some clips and packing list. So let's set that aside and see what's in the next big box. It's like Christmas. So this is the inner fairing. Also is going to need to be painted. And in here there's another box which we will, it says empty. Isn't that interesting? I guess takes up the space. So let's set this aside. And we'll set up the other boxes. Let's see what's in the next big box. This one seems to open on what I would call an end. Well, there's a bunch of smaller boxes. 00165. Well, that doesn't want to come out. So we have a bunch more stuff. Huh. I think that's a speaker enclosure. Oh, this is exciting. This is the Daymaker headlight. That's really cool. I believe that's one of the media centers. There's the USB cable for it. And here's the one for the other side. Good morning. It's time to continue the unboxing of the parts we got from Harley yesterday. So let's see what we've got. This looks like a good one to open. This appears to have the original packing tape. So there's molded in foam, and this is the main radio mounting bracket. So I'll set that aside. Let's see what's in this one. It's very light. Contains a lot of packing material. Aha. This is the top duct. Now, it was only available in vivid black, and I think we're going to paint it the deep jade. Now this one is big and heavy. One box, packing paper, parts list, bags of screws, all sorts of miscellaneous boxes. The parts and accessories catalog, as if we want to buy something more. Well, I'll save you the boredom of going through everything that's in here, but there's a lot of stuff. I'll unpack each of these things off camera. One of the things I'm doing as I take these parts out of here is check off the order list. Make sure I have everything. Another box that size. And another one that has to be coaxed. More light parts, probably speaker enclosure, etc. So I'll save you any more time watching me cut boxes. Here we have all the major boxes. I have labeled each one so that it'll be easier for me to find a part when I need it. And over here are the parts that need to be painted. And this is a collection of small parts that I will need to go through, sort them out, screws and clips and pieces, and I'll check them off of my inventory list. Now here's a fun fact. The two long strips of paper are invoices. The invoice on the left is the order as I placed it, and the strip on the right is the invoice for the parts that were shipped. So as you can see, not everything on the order has been shipped. I called the dealer, and the parts guy said that he found a box of parts on the shelf in the back, and he's shipping them to me with 2-day delivery. I took the parts that needed to be painted to the painter and waited for the paint to dry. In the next episode of Presto Changeo, I start the disassembly of the Batwing.